Extra short and convenient, etguuds 1 foot, 30 centimeters minus 2 packs to meet your variety of daily use while charging at home, cars, office, and more. Optimized for using with portable power bank, multi-UBS ports, power adapters, desktops, etc. Tangle resistant and handy to carry in your bag or pocket. 60 watts high-speed charging. This cable supports PD 3.0 and QC 3.0 fast charging, max output up to 20 volts/3A, suit with USB-C adapters such as 18 watts/30 watts/45 watts/60 watts. USB 2.0 supports data transfer speed up to 480 megabits per second, 40 to 60 megabytes per second. Note: cannot reach the speed of USB 3.0, and cannot output video signal as well. Durable and stable premium nylon braided, adding additional durability and tangle-free, can bear 2000 plus bending test. Strong military fiber, make it flexible.Unique laser welding technology, make the connector prevent from broken. Universal compatibility. This USB-C to USB-C cable compatible with all USB-C devices, phone, laptop, camera. Samsung Galaxy S22/S22 Plus/S22 Ultra, S21/S21 Plus/S21 Ultra, S20/S20 Plus/S20 Ultra, Note 20/Note 20 Ultra, Note 10/Note 10 Plus, A98, A72, A71, A70, Pixel 2/2 XL/3/3 XL/3A/3 XL/4/4 XL/5. View product description for details. What you can get: 1 foot, etguuds USB-C to USB-C 2.0 premium nylon braided cable. If you have any questions, please contact us for free. We will solve issues within 24 hours. Top reviews from the United States. Great cables for the price. This cable connects better to my Samsung A71 5G than the Samsung OEM cable that came with the phone. The cable actually snaps when it connects to the phone. The super fast charging works like a charm with this cable.